Accra and a YouTube SOMPA FM Live. Your website www.sompaonline.com. Takwa Sompa 101.1 FM Takwa Sompa Obapa and then a domusu asum edeboa. Endpoint homeopathy clinic is me more son to say brana endpoint dema yare bia a wobetimi anya wahoto eno achi perfect baby diapers aba time edebo womma emma womma enya hoto so nti wo your batan ahya nso say we the perfect baby diapers nso beba oba hajia special local food and a kasa natural mineral water womo na ebo ye chidom ensema ye de sumo awie de di makotene no ebini
eno na aye ne wogana ha esansa court kwa asetena Chairman ABENA ADEPA boss ya konsem a ewo ho no ene wanya bua na nsem a epie firi akire de yebekọ opon checheku ho ebinu mu kan fie no aduo no ni akire ebisi je appeal bam na sade mu nsem tie no yebedo masukwa wie
na Judicial Service of Ghana Penny for edinwumedia bi ahya so ewo makwala mo ho ni nyina efa Supreme Court wonum finhia wo ha ene aduonu mu agwonom edie
wie Nanuachi and Ababede DBM say Accra Regional Police Command, woman so as a woman to an amobi, Ayashumu, Edia firearms be one somewhere, woman Satos or Neno, Yadabotimonum every.
Abusia, ye rato ba forcing. Said ye woman ye sick as some then totria, nibba be a ye dear manadru, media review budget, whatever to you.
Mame jifa abrago mashi ayeswanya wono washe tourism art and culture dwumadie no eso womanyim wodi atodwa se aban no ehu bia ye bi ofra mantamu a wo mo besiesie hokama na honso abeka akwansra ebia ye no ewomayi hu
na Executive Director the Media Foundation for West Africa Suleiman Brahima ono so akasa de tie nipa bia wo mo kasa ye fa misinformation no a ha dwene pa
na adaji Mahmudu Baumia ene se mrasa badwafo titru no mu amodoso ye ya ba ne de se modoso no nkire se man ne ye mode o titru ne emra no eho dwumadie we nyina tribunal bill no a wo mo so wo mapase no ho a
Openia wano adi Dennis Miracles Edward Abuajia nanu yokofo ekwachire ni wiye ye di beli etu ni trisra ye beli no wose saa ya nkyere no a enkonim se gatofo omodo ne saa wadamase ensada
Honorable Haruna Idrisu Yosua for Shangumesua so was say a buying at the 3 billion Ghana cedis plan dia bar. Sa double truck system near the year Jumano, ye bet me etwasi.
Nano ana senior high school sunkwa 59 one month single track system no wo mo hura firi na sane e hon 70 ni nyina ye infrastructure ntia ye de ba okasimu
ye bekwa kopiemu awo hafoano southeast ekrosini ebedwanim emabunu no bitaya pai wo mo chemsu obiti social media no se wo mo MC afa wo mo MP ayagalam se nukura bi anim ento mo petition o man CID eso hwe sansem nim
and some can we no money this so musakase body free SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Yene ye de kase boy emma wie eyeme die nyame ye hira no. Akosua ago abowaje. Obetimi so afrem yakosua nhira. Me adult children.
Triple MI ADEPA APAM DADAA ana afi.
ABENA ADEPA Kofi.
Afi ebusuan nsam no yiwa som na yentutu ne sere ne nabasa emfama ye sha ase de afiri o mai court na court ho no ensam a eda ho bi a wo mo twe ne se wo wi anam no ebi ye yewura ABENA ADEPA bosi akon chema wuntumi ene PP chema de ma asante manchester se kura wo se wo ko national na asam no wo ma twetwea ne na court abu ni nyina abrim eno na wo mo bo no ko adu mako nsia ebie ni ho a wotimi nya ni trididim ni nyina wadi ho fo enam saa so ma sesei judge de na yi no bo pono no so 20 years imprisonment asam ne de ebi no mo kasa ho pa na koye court da ho abobu de wogina ho a bra na justice Audrey Kokovite wade na yi ne bo pono no so no na opon checheku wono nso de yakọ nyina da on na etimi hu ebu ho aten na akwa abo
mejo so apam
na ena wo de dikan twa court kro na asam no course no mfoni bia ewo ne ne akoso ne na femfinsi aduonu na ye tete no sa na te a boyemu
apam say ena enye yeah ni je bukumi asante mantem ni edema MPP amanyuku na ene ni sam ai pan komene so samra boy won sem soma gudie wutumi a woni won krata any offense the media wodi or how any eye abenisidi a wodi afato man so ene ni nyina abene wiye aka high court na ene yede chema wutumi edi ebabe du eye mbibia ha no sei no kwani nyamianum ni ene ye wo court one ni nyina no ya poto apam ya poto sense in the case no senate bi ananka opani chema wutumi obeko nanso ensia obeko no ena nanka yesusu nkemra bem aka ya na nwene da emremu no me wo mani ni awo mencha wan se ye ne no bedi nkomo kakra but emremu no ne ye nim ne se anka yire so a nsuhiedu ni 15 years ena nke ye se ye de ma no nanso wo de ensie num e de aka ho ama kwakwa ye 20 years enti yaka say chema wutumi de ne ko na apam nipa hu eye mobo enne na mehu de bia me ka se man never is nipa nsahwe no enne na mehu enta se ebra rule ni ba ye ne de chema wutumi ko na ye piapia no ye wo so no apambo fo no mo kasa nipa mo cho mi ameko meko o mo so be ko ye piano ye ne fa ne ye oh apam areho na yamu ano yamfa na mfa main entrance ye nim se ye de ne ba fa na central point ni ano eya high court no omo second gate no no e underground na we show enti ho e na omo de ne fa ye omo de ne tina fam no obi ehu yanti for people ya enti answer e mani mfo no e ba ye omo ne ko be ka ba ye no kurenie na ye de chema wutumi e ko de da enti no tesia enu ni akọ asante mantem twenty ni chema wutumi okọ na ne ya me ya ni ye me wanwan se ye ni se wo gyina mu mama nyekuo MPP enya hwe kura no wo ye montam kasia eye MPP amanyekuo no omo song vote e ono ye dwemtreni ena enya hwe kura no bitim papa ko pete o de MPP ni se odo ba be party no dwemtreni ni na mu no na hu party akitanfo bia e wa ha no mu sei eno nso ya sembisa apam na yanko mranim ne saka eye lawyer Ben ena e wo menja wa ha no sei ye no eni nkomo sanse wono no crowd ye Supreme Court won na kaka no original ne naso court no original ne naso e de adisede bi tuja but ni na mu no Gentin Fentu on one kata ano. Council ya mwakwa baba SOMPA 106.5. SOMPA affiliate. SOMPA eni anuma ewo Ghana. Aye three brekese. Ewo ya santimantem ya mwakwa ba.
Mini amejo so wajuma idi hadi.
Mti so bani da.
Wajuma chaba.
Wati mi tuwe cheza.
Mura hukasa pa se mfie 20 di mini mtu ya wedi. Na wote 20 years mfi mam bisa ne be ka kitu enti media mi ka case no be lawyer ni ana maba court be gimi na judge no kasa wie se obua yura won't be for no na afraid obe afraid so obua no phobia na obe ka tonko dem say ya no nkodem say na me hwe judge na me say be me sorry nkem na me say be say dem tu na ni say oh mu say obua yura won't be for akase odi asutwe be man na some odi asutwe be man nti mi kakra no so dey na me woka na mi si o me kase Mr. Woons mi di for na so odi na me kai judge ni say Woons mi say me amikina he amini business back Mr. Woons mi a big business man our business is big our Ghana ha from media to real estate and I court na so me say Mr. Woons mi ana ye ni business is na internet charges and community education. Our banana business is in a say. The business is in a say, and not doing money. I lay a dear high empire, no money. And the court number banana situation. On kinds of tiny power or businesses I employ any pound. Now, on shut down, mama to cheno and that. Yemi man and one name starting to lawyer.
Oh, yan and lawyer, now some ray when you look at that. 15 years, 20 years. It's just a day and a month and I'm sure.
And I'm serving a lawyer, no man back to me, and no dear me to me, and can name my lawyer for no me. To give it some better so. No, the somebody called now, the a day with the Raho, in fact, a young one, I'm also emotional. But yes, I'm Ram saying, who should say a car, some own lawyer, you feel be appeal. It is so much me and a bit my boy. Oh, appeal there, can you do again? Only judge being a junior. See appeal. Somebody appeal, someone appeal. Almost judgment now. No more in your way. Okay, Council Ben, I did about one person is 10 years to give on. And Remon, it is the first count 20 years. And I thought 20 years. Come on, Naka, Quack, and no, about a son after the year 20. Yes, so maybe I won't say credit about credit back, credit back. Yes, and so credit back for 20 years, credit back for 20 years, credit back for 20 years. I am funny in Abu Bakr. If the Canadian could be and I want to train a win. It's a very concurrent judgment. Concurrent judgment. The judgment is supposed to run concurrently. In the years of the 20 back, another 20 back, but the beginning a good man on the com. I just need to tell you now. Yaja more common. Chamaun's me, Amanoni. Amanujuma Komwa, and say Namswa, Nipa de Brena, Edinimuno. The Utufu at their farm and for any 2 year mobile by who put out one. You know, they can't be a very Ninkasser. And I'm right in Ninkasser. But I say, Apam, a year lawyer Ben, and Yeneno, 80 and from Ukraine, Nipa for our 4 would be a no back court Libya Raho, now a DJ, any court 1 with me. Mamanibo,
Mo. Eno amane bona minimum say we ye bedo mu asuko pa opon bra na try ano na ruling ne kwaso no what is no wo mo kenkan say assignment of mineral right without approval against Bernard Anchibosi akon 5 years assignment of mineral right without approval against Kwame Antwi eno na wo mo kenkan bo mu nya 20 no ana
on say lawyer in case of the two Ghana or just to say Apam Sabio, a year as I say, what for Nipa Mienu at the one summer body at 2 days, and the quite of us which can win 20 years. A cockota, a woman, some more, I at the ball. And I say, yes, that case now confused me, maybe swing, especially say the infant that I think Panaman, what we are. Quite second, Facopa, and now Robin Peter to pay for a bunny saying a court to a rulia or share the counting. Instead, the first will bet Mamma 10, second will bet Mamma 10, 10 will bet Mamma 10. Meaning, a year, a stem back and a watch chin. Dia Kobani say no more penny in a boom, now Papa Yabako, and I'm sure Chama to me if we share one. You say because a first 20, 4th 20, and a 20, a Baba maybe a 40 and 60. Almost coming in our boom, no mind about and it's no money 20 years.
And yet, Abani say no, Eddie law for every law, enum law, ni enim law for ni in law for no sabri, and now Obawa woman new modern commonty, Ebusia, Minimusa, Yeresua, Enru hot bite mono. Na Aboma, a bit me at his mamma telephones when you be. Money amanable. Na no point to international national reporter no. Wono na high court and then ruling or de buyer. ABENA Anchibosi akocha ma wuntumi. Wantumi ne mra na nchira mwaso amre na yina hwe no. Finshi adu no. Wode ko na duafie no. Wode ho amane atoayen.
Abusua yada so agiremu ewo court nsensam anafe emra sa wo betiase na me metiase. Ye nyina ya court batan oye Supreme Court no. wɔn anya mfinhyia no wɔ ha ne adwodum 150 years mpanimfoɔ de celebrations no ahyehyɛ so ana ɛna ya me no kasa yi wɔn akɔkɔpie mu wɔ ɛyɛ makwala mɔ hɔ no mo a ɛno no Judicial Service of Ghana no wɔn apɛsɛ wɔn kyerɛkyerɛ Ghana adehyeɛ ɛma yɛte mmara no ase mmara no ɛsesɛn woyɛ sɛ yɛ mmara no yɛde rentam kɔ mu a anamɔ wei ɛna wobɛtu di afa ho wɔn mu kyerɛ mu sɛ wɔn pɛsɛ wote bibia asenti ɛna Supreme Court di ne mfinhyia wɔ ha ne aduonum yi yɛde mmara no ɛkɔ baabi a ne yɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu ama yɛne yɛte aseɛ ɔpani a wɔno ɔne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ ɛkasaeɛ ɛwɔ bia no wɔnom edi dwuma ɛyɛ her ladyship Justice Efiasewa Asari Botwe wɔno ɛna ɛkasaeɛ a yɛnsɛmtwerɛni na na ɔpɔn kyekyeku ɛso bi baayɛ sɛ
legal aid officers and the lawyers, because obviously we in the judiciary, we cannot take cases. It's been a very successful day. Yes, I was talking to the regional bar and the legal aid officers that as part of their legal aid celebration and law week celebration and so on, they should endeavor to engage, because so many people were asking why we don't do this more often. For judges, we can't do this too often, obviously, but we have encouraged them that as much as possible, they should be able to reach the people, because a lot of people just had questions, they needed clarity. For example, tell me about that. There are so many.
Said Yabaya Wubet Rano as in a China B1 Koyabi Amayama Mekase, ignorance of the law is not an excuse in tea and a yade etua we. Her ladyship, Justice Efiasewa Asari Botwe, wano and a dig mediano and our Makwala mo honomoa. One more church emremo, Acha Ghana this year, Yansem training and no ponchiku, and a tune semi esumi.
Me kan sa SOMPA kase bona wuti afi SOMPA 106.5 FM akran endpoint homeopathy clinic perfect baby diapers ye de boy mama omoto ho eye motomoto kama hajia special local foods aduane papa fie ena kasa natural mineral water nsukroje an wonom etibi boa wo na ebo ye chidomo a ye de ba ene de ya chema wuntumi anya 20 years se ye mfa ne nkonsa wamu yi na awrehuo die atoni pa bebre so no ne prem to bre kase bo ene ye de ema wo no na yɛda so wɔ abɔnefosɛm ne polisifoɔ ne court mu nsɛnsɛm a na Accra Regional Police Command wɔn se wɔn ne National Police Intelligence Directorate no a wɔn ɛka ho no wɔn adi dwuma a wɔn akɔkɔkye nipa num bi asa nipa num a yɛkye wɔn no na firearms ne ammunitions bi ɛwɔ wɔn ho nanso wɔn agye ne nyinaa ɛde afiri wɔn nkyɛn na sapeman faase hɔ baabi ɛna wɔn tu saa na mo no polisifoɔ se wɔn gusu ɛhwehwɛ asɛm no wɔn hu no ne ɛnam so ma ne ba yɛ saa nipa num yi a yɛkye wɔn togbe agba semaglo wɔnyɛ mfie aduonum Shadrach Aga semaglo wɔnyɛ mfie aduonum mienu William Kwaku Sadanu wɔnyɛ mfie aduonum baako ene Cyril Kasenu wɔn nso nyɛ mfie aduonum nsia Kingsford Aga samaglo wɔn nso nyɛ mfie dunwɔtwe na mpanifo kyerɛ mu sɛ yɛkye wɔn no sa intelligence led operation ya mbrɛbrɛ wɔn aso ase ɛna yɛkye wɔn yɛ hu one pump action gun baako ɛna wɔn san so ehunu Ostra pistol yibi ewom jackknife na ebi nso ka ho face mask ahodoɔ cartridges ahodoɔ ɛna ammunition 9mm ammunition yibi 1 AK-47 round of ammunition ɛno nso na ka ho talisman ɛno nso ka ho ɛne kitchen knife kyesa nneɛma de wɔn agigi bi afiri wɔn nkyɛn paa etu wɔn gi ne nyinaa no na wɔn aka ne nyinaa si ani a wɔn hwehwɛ saa brɛ Mami Juliana Obey, Chief Superintendent, Head of Public Affairs, Accra Regional Police Command. Within the Sasha, Public Relations Affairs Department, and some Pacassia Bonso Abon Deuru, Ediamamu, Ewie.
Dumi no kase some perfie die no eno a na yede som wa edi atwago information centers ahodo baabia decoder no so FM no wo no eno nso ye gina mo na busua ye wura o man sika sama boboa no baabia ye wura ato ba forcing oda no nyame de kyenya wo kyena ABENA da ukwada ya wada wo ba begina mrase badwafo ni nyina nim na wo man no yakọ homa sika no sese ya pai afi no mu no ne aka eno nso se wo bagi bia ka ho ana nsesa aka akire ne wo bebo ya mane nyame de kye ya wada ena ne nyina ebepiem na empo ya twen ya ho firi IMF besia bonase no eno nso kura ho nkomo na afi na wo bebo ho amane pa ba ko no de asompa di kan ka kire wo no na no kase ena ye boso ede mawo entene ochina ne na de kye no wo ba ba kire mpa ede kire ganafo ebio emrase badwafo nso ehwe animu se saa bere ya wo be no saa bosome nsia ya yedi kan ye twa no no anasa ya pai mu no de wo mo boye wo mabrabo ka aba beda ho ena mpo ne esan so wo akire a wo mo besere de aka ho ana wo be kire se de kura wo mo nyibi nka ho ensesan se na aka ne Ghanafo adodode ahodo a yebetumi anya enti we no ena Public Financial Management Act 2016 wo mo tintinye no Act 921 eno no ema yewura Finance Minister kwan se womra na fe wo mekire ebadwafo no de sika na odi kan ebesere firi wo mo ho no wo ma na mo approve am wo de koye kokoye adwuma no ba bia wadi aduru ene ne aka akire enti nyame de chen ya eda ya wada de be pia firi mu bia no yanso ye ne wo ho deda sanso opon wo ho ye de ho nsem ebetoa
na watchi ba kunim no na Ghana mampani His Excellency Yewura John Dramani Mahama Srem stage ata Mr. Babio na wanamu elframantamu a resetting Ghana agenda no eno hu dwumadie ena na ekoso ekoduru ba bi kura ma ya wana no ema no eye hene mu nsemo a na okopie mu ewo ho no empanifo edi nkomo bebre na opani a wakasa yi eye suani a wono worship tourism art and cultural creative art industry no eso Mame Abraji Fagomashi wakasa mu se aban no eye na ni so ade hunu ya no no betimi aboa reset ne menti upie mu ewo ho a wanom ewo akwansra bia ye bi wo ho no mu ewo se empanimfo twa wo mani ehwe ne yie na eno so atimi ade empuntuo aba afa ho ama oman no enya sika papa bi ade afiri mu Mame Jifa Abragomashi se aban no na afei wasoani a wono hye yakwan ene akwantempo ho ensem so onunyamfo Kwame Govins agboja wanom ese sede akwan a elidi to sa miaya amanfo etimi fra chichini bencheye ebehwe wo mani so ade ewo mayim no ho kwan ya nya nyina no sese ne de da wonu abamu a wo mo be reshape akwan ni nyina da na ayemu trouble amasa okobia ye bisa no akwa hwe wani so ade a wo so wo ho ankyere ewo ekwan so Mame di ne samba wie ye no okire mu se upie mu ewo Adakuru Mountain a sede eho no ete no aban ne pese wode niema bebre ehyem na atumi ayefe na ukwa wani aka na wakọ asanso ababiem afelikpe todome area honso wani mu chem se akwansra bia bi ho no mu a eno so empanifo be hye na mom eno no ewo oti na Adakuru ho no eno no wohu ni nyina enkamfua no wo mo ayiyi bi wo mu a wo mo ebeye ni nyina kama na upie mu ewo ho na afei framantam ni nyina no a watumi enya bia ye papa bi akwakwhwe wani so ade a wode sansemi tu dwa ekyerensem trofo.
Your Excellency, recently in Cabinet, you asked that I approach my brother, Kwame Agboja, the Minister for Roads, so that all the roads leading to our tourist sites are improved upon. We've had that meeting, and it was really fruitful, and I'm sure that by the phase 2 of his big push, we will be able to address those issues. That said, there's also sites that have not been brought to the fore. The region has huge ecotourism potential. One of the areas where we can improve upon is the Adakuru Mountain, and also, which is in the Volta region, and then Oti, we have Likpe Todoma. What I would need listeners and viewers to pay attention to is that the ministry leads in policy direction, but it is private sector led. We need you to invest in these areas. So as we have identified that we can have, for example, paragliding in these 2 communities that I've mentioned, you will have to bring money for us to work with.
Mame Jifa Abragomashi ayeswani a tourism, art and culture, creative art industry no eso na nesem wadi to dwabio ene se wonom awo app bi eno na platform wa wamo eyem panifo edada ye tourist site no nyina no ewo so bia wanu chem se e bia se we hotel B and a restaurant A wo so betimi aba app ni so bi no aba register enti ni so obi ba bia ye ho akwansra no na ewo se woda ba bia wo so ye book di aka ho wo kire mu se wanu ye ne sa no bebre wo ho no mu a se bi wanu en register no so say en wo kire mu fai.
Businesses are not responding as we expect them to. You have a product, you have a hotel, you have an eatery. If you don't put it on that site, it will be difficult for us to promote it for you. So I'm using this platform to urge businesses that are already operating in the sector to take advantage of that.
Openia wakasa ye yeswania washe ye culture no and a creative art industry no and ya kwansrabia no tourism no wahaso our my Ghana mo Mame Abla Jifa Gomashi wono ene kasai.
Meka wose SOMPA kase bona wutie fi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na Executive Director Dema Media Foundation for West Africa Eyo Suleiman Abrahima wakasa edi etia se de fa misinformation no ekoso Ghana hadodo obi afa phone si nani so anu wo dwananum obeke kansem ebi nim nokura bia nim no okekanti ebra so se ye de niema sisi akwamu yie pa ne entimi ma ho kwan saa ema dipa bi emfo mo hunni one central for ekasa no se misinformation and disinformation nyina no aye serious threat to Ghana's democracy dodo amemu aye de ye adwuma na baba ye wo haw kase a esense ye kom aye gi ye hu ba bi anye etu obesre se ohaw no kwan befa so atu ase no eno ne se ehia omemu ni nyina.
The problem really has been that we do recognize that these are acts and conduct that are not positive for our society. We've worked on, and as a country, we have not responded in any way. All we've done is to continue to tolerate and actually reward people who are perpetrating these acts. And we seem to be in a state where people only get concerned when these things affect them. But when it is used against their opponents, they see nothing wrong with it.
Eni ye Suleiman Abrahima, our Executive Director Dema Media Foundation for West Africa. Na wasa to asubiem se sa misinformation no a woka ho asem nipa bebre kasa de fa ho se ebran so se ye de nan esifom.
People, a lot of the people who are today condemning what this lady has done would have been the same people justifying such developments. And in fact, not that they would have been. Today, they continue to justify some of those things being done by people who support them, whose narrative promote their agenda. And those who are defending what has happened and basically condemning what the sentencing and so on and so forth are the same people who would have been endorsing the same thing if it was something that was, being done and they were the beneficiaries of it.
Enti obeya wo kasei wasi akwete se nipa ne boane dia ene obepene so se moane dia na wakasa tia eno ne ha dwene na wo kasa asem ya sankrofo yi a na ebi eta na chi ena eyade bi ha dwene o man ne se ye den hihye egu akwan mu a ema ye nso so saade ne so kra Owura Suleiman Abrahima wo Executive Director Dema Media Foundation for West Africa na dwenkyere eno no
SOMPA Prametobra kase no eno ne ye toto edema ababia wo bia wote enka edifiro bia be information live also na abusua yewura adaji Mahmoud Bebo Baumia doctor na boboa no Franka Kurafo de ma wo so na manyoku na 2028 Ghana banwa no wo prede akọ na ye kan say majority carries the vote adaji Baumia say eba mremu a eho ye majority carries the vote na emom dachin bia ne nchiri mabuza ne se emra no na ye emra edetene ne ba emra no sabi na ebu atanche ana se na ekototen we ye sa tribunal bill ehonsem na papai wo kasa ho ntia enera wonya adaji gina se sa se mode wo so wo kana sompafo fa no wo mo ka kire Ghana fo na eto wo mo aso mu ye tribunal na wo mo ka ho asem no enye wo bibia kekede atentene ne na ebo na mum amaman kamasem yo wo na deba na de yentie de adaji kai.
Fellow citizens, I speak to you on a matter that has the potential to reshape our justice delivery system, confidence in our judiciary, and the future of our democracy altogether. The attempt to reintroduce tribunal into Ghana's judicial system. Last week, Parliament passed the Tribunals Bill 2026. The mandatory one-day interval between the consideration stage and the third reading was waived so that the bill could be passed on the same day. The minority's objections were voted down. Organized labor objected loudly and publicly, but was ignored. The bill
no na asam no woka na adaji Mahmoud Baumia mananso ho ewia no wose we nyina nkomre no mampani nsam na bekwa kowie so ono nya sane wi a aba be yemra na tribunal no so kanisa na wo ho omanfo yen soja ayedo beko tribunal straight anukura ye nte wano asem sa una ukura ma chese no nko ade se te bia wahyeja ye betimi de wakwa na eyi no wo sere se mampani we di adawroma nsanansa.
I have one respectful request of President Mahama. Mr. President, do not assent to this bill. Pause and let the nation ponder and deliberate on this very important matter. This is not a partisan request. The Trades Union Congress, the voice of millions of Ghanaian work, has called for the bill to be withdrawn altogether, warning that in its current form, it could become a potent tool for weaponizing justice delivery.
And fellow Ghanaians, we Ayaraji Mahmoud Baumia and Adeba, na was a Ghana Mempeni. Sa tribuna bill na womo wie debano. Means an answer.
And I know memene dabi, memene da na akwakwa yese, ora Dennis miracle sabwaje, memene da no anya ne dekra. Busumi ya yomu ya ne da na tosu dubako. En wotu kwan ekwa monone na wabra wodu Accra International Airport no. Wankwa immigration fo anim ni adanya ye kirew. Wanum eso ni pechi ekoma eyokofo se. Wanum ahwehwe no a na afei ene nsa so ni munti. Omeyi nsem bi ano na nane nyina efa se. Empanimfo krata wanum de ba ye eyokofo no. Wamu chem se ebra na eye Owura Dennis Edward Miracle Sabwaje. Eye Executive Secretary Edema Interministerial Coordinating Committee on Decentralization no. Sika bi efa wani Owura bi anu no ya accountant wo ho no. Sika ni bi efa wamo sase no no wamo susu se eye be se 55 million Ghana cedis. Enu hunti ena yokofo ekofa ani a. Ehu koye pinso yi. Na enra wakwakopie mo ewo community bi ewo nkna ha no mo asa community no. Get of pa na gu pa wakwada wan mo ase. Owura Dennis Miracles Sabwaje say, efisa ye mani bill ya one mudi sika to ni so 50 million Ghana cedis with treasuries no ya wo hu ye say amafo ani age ebra na wo mo release ne kura na wo mo ye free miracles wo ba ye no wo hu se na getofuo wo mu pa anti wada wo mo ase bia ya wakoye wo so wo okronhia ne da enso ye kire no na kire se nipa ne e show tema ani wodo e kire no na wo se wokokoda se enti wo se ese ani keja ani aseda woda wo mo nyina ase ne nsem ni
Nyankopon enhyiramo se miracles enya asem na mo nyina mo free ha na mo begina street ne so e support me no nyamisham ade enwu hia me pa me pese obi ate ase ne se won sorry keke mfifie e be just street so nkasa em protesting my miracles say who protest keke dia mo ye no manya amame o mo ye ma ye nyina se na be ye kire bi ye dia ye me ye fan ye na ye fan ye wunua any the biggest statement o make no sadam ese se oman no emra eye adwuma se wo gidi se obi aye bibia emra no se fafa emra kwan so se wo bechi obi atumu memene da kwesiada edwoada ebena dance we gane de ye emra no ye den enkasa it is
Oprenia wakasa ye enkane no na wono anaye Executive Secretary Dima Interministerial Coordinating Committee on Decentralization wasaso aid Edema Dr. Haji Mahmudu Baumia Owura Dennis Miracles Edward Abwaje wono na kasa intisa ghetto community na okoye no wakwada wonu mu ase so mo kire odo.
Ye tonso osofo hye nwomesua so ye Honorable Haruna Idrisu ye hye ni musenya me ya domo a wo de dwumadie bi esefatai ne ya ayefa ne government accountability series no obeba be cheche Ghana nwomesua baabi ye dru baabi enam ene baabi epese ye de ani kire eti government accountability series na ema ho kwan ema abemu asofo bebu akonta no eho dwumadie eno no na 3 billion Ghana cedis infrastructure program aye de abase enkwada omo double track system eye senior high school no esese womo ehwe na womu tu ho anamo no eno na womo behwe na womo aye ne yie amane ma nyina nso etimi yetumpon na Minister of State in charge of government communications Felix Kwachu Fosu ena de tu ne Facebook wo say hu nsensem ne nyina no obekirechire mu kama enti ene dai na Honorable Haruna Idrisu eba bekire se enkwada womo ekọ double track system e wo senior high school no ye pese ye yifiri ho no ede ne ebetimi aye a ebetimi yaboa eti sika aban ye twa be 3 billion Ghana cedis no ye be ye no nhihye ne yie pa eti obi anhwe ni mu no metie SOMPA kase bonso ebedi echede ebefiri mu babia ye nyimaso emfiri
ene enwomasua na mu ne yegina na we de me wa santema mu ba bedu ene di firi ho eba de woni amansa di nkuta ho ede ma enwomasua asoe no ewo asantema mu Yewura Henry Oseboaten no wono na ebo amane se sade wo mani abrese double track no wo mbe sore firi so no wo makọ single sade be na asuafo ni nyina bedi wo mo naname na fe adekirede yesa wo mo nsaka no wo mo nsa betumi aka no asantema mu de aye ho nhyehyei ama sesi a sukuntu aso maako aduonu mo nkono 59 na wo mo afiri apam dada no ye double track no so ebi ko red yellow any green no wo ma ko single track nanso wo mo free we set ye bia no wo be hia ba bia nkoda ne bi beda na afi bia wo mbetena ende hia pa nti wo bobo na wo bobo bi te se pokuware ne prempenom e de ka ho na wo ne ba bedu ene di sa ankomu yi.
That having them run the double transit system, despite the fact that they have the facilities. And you provide me with the list of schools and then the minimum, but the baseline infrastructure that needs to be added so that they will be able to move from the transition to a single track. That will guide us when they get fund projects in the education ministry project that are coming in. So help us with that. And the other...
Ewie ya na Asante Mantam so afo. Dr. Franka Mwakohene. Dr. Abrantie ese sa double track hu asema wo mu fidi so no one day na pono no wabie ne deda na biribia da wo se enwomasu aso ye no enya de boa ema yetimi firi ho no won fa mra na kache.
The double track is where the same year have two as gold and green. That is first year, some are gold, some are green. Whilst gold is in school, green may be at home. That one was the double track. That one ended in 2022. At the moment, we are practicing what we call transition. And the transition means a year group. So it's not the same year group while some are at home and some are in school. So the whole year group may be at home. So at the moment, we may have it that maybe Form 3, Form 2 may be in schools while Form 1 students may be at home. All the Form 1 students will be at home. And that is what we term it as transition.
Enti eno na Dr. Franka Mwakohene achire mu no onya ka transition na ebidi na ni akosi hachu no wo se nya no na mom wo mo firi ba kono so na wo mo de aba se from 1 4 4 2 4 bia wo school na wo mo di wo mo first and second third term ni nyina eno na wo ma sha ase no
yenyina mu ewa Asante emanta mu hwa na upie mu ewa Hafwa no South East cross ni bedwa ni mu a ekuo bi a wo mo e political and social group wamo fra wano ho Ashanti Democrat wamo na eka sei wamo si petition ya ekura wano mo wamo de kwama oman CID one fa no no Asante emantam mu no wamo de kwama wamo se wamo nsom no mo wamo kratai no mo hwehwem wamo se wamo ho e wo social media no so no mo ti se owura bi a wano se wade shaku e kire mu su pie mu e wa Hafwa no South East ho no mo a wamra shebadwani ononyamfo Muhammad Yakubu ena DCE mesini abakrache no awon so ho ononyafo Ibrahim Yamba Nelson wamu ya galamsey entini wamu ti sa shakuno eka no social media no se MP no ono wo ho no ene DCE no aka wamu tamasi ani se twe ya wamu sensuo sensa se o man kwa ebretuo wamu send wampata manko ade Ashanti Democrat fo yi say wamu ka kire CID Asante Mantam mpanimfo se wonu so asenu se twetwe na wamu hwehwemu afa nkwasi ase sansa ban ya kam ya ate ase se wase wan prima na ban mu obi anya galamse nti sasafo no wamu susu se wamu ye bidi ampanimfo enhwehwem de wadi kuo yanim ekasa ye eye Owura Jerry James Suka ono ne nsam eni
Yeni ebo eye video bi so e social media na video no the woman say eye Abanti the friend Amarisha ko blogger was say MP NDC or more Hafwa no South East omo ye galamsey and illegal mining. Yes, you know say galamsey and illegal mining but omanpeyi aye na for media wo kutia saminesi. The ban say na omanpeni representatives of more the various constituencies in the cities. Edi omo be hye sa galamsey. Tine ya we hosem emaye. Enti Ashanti Democrat na me omo president na ho be hia say ye be petition Ashanti Regional Police Commander na me see the investigative bodies na omo hwehwem Abanti no ye video ni ba bonten no MP owo Hafwa no South East NDC owo Hafwa no South East omo ba bonten say enya no kre say omo ye illegal mining.
Entini se wamu akasampa hu video no ehun said ye shakoti intintan video no so kano enya no kra dia na chese wo sempanimfo som na wo mu hwehwem sa ya no kra nso dia na chese we dia nyu obi na akuma ntwio na buasi akon wono ana di ni ti agi achema Ashanti Democrat president ya wakasa de ma wonom eye Owura Jerry James Suka woni yensem training Ebenezer Osu ansani din komo.
Meka wo se SOMPA kase bon endpoint homeopathy clinic, perfect baby diapers, Hajia special local foods. Ene kasa natural mineral water ebo ye chidom no ene edi summo ewie. Na Supreme Court akwa setena ama Ashanti Port Services Limited. Asuma mo de beto wo mo paso say High Court decision bia wo mo eka ye 33.3 million award o se wo mo tua de tia Jospon Construction Limited se wo mo tua no enko wo mo hwa na wo mo nane no enya de Supreme Court no wo mo agye atum sa application wo mo abo ato agukra Ashanti Port Services Limited for HM say High Court decision bia wo de ba say wa nullify 33.3 million ye award that were granted ma favor say a comma Jospon Construction Limited no na wo mo ne no enya dwene etinka court no enhwe na wonye ho adwuma nenso 5-member panel Chief Justice Bafo Boni etna so Justices Siedu Richard J Frimpong Kofi Senyo Jamafe ene wo mo kaka ho nyina etna se no mu kire mu se sa application no a empanifo ede eba ye no wo mu egina mu se de High Court no wo mu gida mu pepepe na no ena empanifo chem se High Court ene Supreme Court nyina no wo mu se APSL wo mu enya legal na corporate capacity amfa ma mekire se bia emramu ena adwuma mu no efa sansem wo mu de beto paso a na wo mu eye ho adwuma no etini wo mu ahye no eno a eno ma hye ne pepepepepepe say be betimi edimo kama fisa no mo hwe animu say Josmo Construction Limited for betua says ikano aye 33.3 million US dollars no edi ama na High Court no ebotugu ye eti no mo de ko Supreme Court say Supreme Court behwe na ama Josmo Construction Limited for atua ne sanenso Supreme Court nso abo ato agu a ama favor no antimi anko ama wo mo ama se de empanifo pe no wo mo enya na sa na lawyer for mu gina mu ema Josmo Construction for say court ruling na aba no wo maso mu pa na lead counsel Professor Kwamijan wono ene kire mu se we a kire se wo mu gina ya na o masi dadaada no eno a ena court no so agye atomu eti esefata se Supreme Court nso ekwa asetena no wo mu nso agye atomu se Josmo Construction for no wo mu dibim ensamfata so mu betua sika bi etisa ede ama wo mu a asam no de akwakosi a SOMPA kase bonso abohu dawuru ede ama mo
abusuama yenwura dwadiem ya kwia ye nso kora ka ho esanse ye ne Burkina fo ntem ye kokofa tomakese afra ye di free hoba na duba bia ye nso ye mpotra ye wo ha emu nkosua ye di biko ekokoma wo mo a nansen na dwadie na ye bibie ho ateta okra no wo no ekofa tomakese ye kosa na atogu won so ma ebinum ti na nanam won se nyame mfa okranse yi na abusua nso nhye won ho den empani atimi aka wo mo ntama banchiri mu amasesei wo mo no masundwe abua no emfa ho ne se Burkina fo ani bre se sesei ano wo mpese wo mo ye wo mo apepa tomato eye wo mo atin tomato ede kodwa so enti tomato wuro mo nton mo bia no wo mo ne Ghana edi kasasia na we no so afo a wo hwe wo man ye dwadie ho nsam so ye mfididwuma ka ho ye de free kuya mo ban so esan tua to agri business woni ye rare kopoku wo man so afo a wo hwe ye kuya ye ho nsam so ana no kura wo bia so nkon ketenkete no ebinu mo de ho video asande ne se wo mo wie wo se mfa ho ne se ebinu ma wi bie enkosua na ebe firi mo aba no se wo mo ne Burkina mpanimfo adi kasasie ama asumdua ye adwuma ya oman bia amfa bibia mfiri wa Ghana de ye no betimi adidwa ama na yeyie na we nyina no mpanimfo a wono mkohia no ebi ya His Excellency Sam Kenneth Akibate wono nesi Ghana na mu ewo mpotem ho na wo mo nhia mudie no International Art and Craft Trade Fair ewo Burkina ye fere wo mo se awofo no wo mo ne Ghana mpanimfo yi ya erikopoku no mo edi nkomo na wo mo chese se wo mo bubu kra ya de pan to ho 2024 $573 million US dollars ene ya de ma Burkina fo ye be fantu sikeke 2025 $637 million US dollars ene ya de bre wo mo ebeka wo mo sika sem ho ma epaja ye ntene se wo ma bra bo esesa ye ka ho bi pa wo mo tie sa nkomo nyina ewie no wo mo hunu se ebehia se dwadie no ye san hye mo kena enti mpanimfo asatu eho abofo a wo mo toto de ombeto nyina sa de beye na dwadie no ebekoso na akoso yi mama Elizabeth ofosu ajare tachima ya tifimra se bedwani so ahyembo se tie bia no wo mbedo maboa ama ye dwadie no ayakone aba no wo mo abo ho ban na mfaso nso afiri mo aba
afei ko emrahye bedwam na wopie mu ho no mu a wopani a wono oyedom kuma no ba no dani eyo ne nyamfo Alexander Kwame na afenyo mark no ye afutu emrahye bedwani na osaso ye sahene ewo afutu empatamo na opani akasa ewa bra okohia emfimfini emantamo amanyoko MPP wamo ato abade ama wamo se constituency executives no kohia wanu nyina anu wotu wamo fo enu osehia meka kire mo ba maba no amanyosam na mo ba beye se wuyi adwumadene afei wuyi etuhu ache esi nchen a di aka wasa wo peka ho ene huhumu de esasa amanyosam na yaye no enye anikan wutimi fa wo naked korokoro ice no amfa kwankwa ya amanyosam na mom se upa ubibi a wosom no se wutwadi ampon na wosom no anase wonyame bi a wosom no wosom ni yie na wabɔ ho ban em watimi de aya amanyosam no wotu wanmfo ese wo mo hwe na wo mo fa gidie enka bom tahreta mienu ka bom a empani se bo peminti na wo mo efa nya adwuma no ne kwakra mu no wo mo hwe se wo mo edi insiyo ebe ya adwuma no mo di asom amanyoko MPP na nyakopon ya adum 2028 ya wo mo nyina awiata so se wo pese wo mo be kitri power no edi free NDC amanyoko nsam no wo mo atimi aye ne yie wo se wo mo hwe na de wo mo afre wo mo grassroots fo ni nyina no fam no wo mo fom ho mata wo mo yie esanse wo mo nanim de wo mo nanim constituency ni mu nsam na wo mo ntimi anya adwuma ne mom wo bra onanyamfo Alexander kwame na afanyo marking etu wo mo fo no sei ene koi.
Politics is a spiritual exercise. Don't do it with naked eyes. I repeat one more time. Politics is a spiritual exercise. It's not for the naked eye. Call on your God and come to your aid at your crossroads. May God bless our great party, the New Patriotic Party. May God bless the Central Region. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. We are the new politics. It's a spiritual exercise.
Eno dia wasisu ba mienso na kyese ba bi otonfo ebo ho pepepe no empani se hia ne parent politics enya spiritual exercise kora se bia wuja no na to nchen na wudi we naked korokoro ice no akwakwa ye politics no mfa nwura huhumu na nuwa no mu nyina de ane na mu aba besi sabe na 2028 no wo mo entimi nkuchiri power determination afei gidie won mo fa nwura mu na miehunu no so enka mom na enya baako no nyafo Alexander kwame na afanyo marking sem
yeto akase bono so a opanyina wo prese obenya dwamtena ne dibre ewo the New Patriotic Party amanyuku no mu ye awentame Paul Afoko na smo dia to dwane se party na chitafo full soldiers no mo fom no benyi omu gidie pa de a ene eni kwanse de omo ye ne dadaada no eno anese so omo tena so saa da bi ese so omo di yedie fofrefe ne New Prosperity Agenda wo mo deba wo se ne betimi aboa ma the New Patriotic Party amanyuku no enye gidie bi wo party no mu se ebetimi aboa wo ye nsentrofo nhyiemu wabon dawudo se wopese national chairman a emre bi na ye ne dia ye tu no wo se wopese wo san eba biem etinye business as usual said ye ne tete kwa asem no a wo mo nan wo mo tese abosoma kotifi se dan ho kra ho paya tefre kreti mi wuram na wo mo ntimi hyehye ne ma foforo mo hyehye ne foforo a party ne betimi anya daache papa bi na se do mo si ko ni so mo ko ne saa de a enya de a ebeboa.
We must never allow anyone to reduce the MPP to a narrow identity. Our strength is national. Our future must and will remain national. I'm aware that some may ask whether the MPP can have both its presidential candidate and national chairman coming from the north of the country. Let me address that matter directly. The MPP is a national party. It is not a party built on narrow ethnicity, religion, or regional exclusion. I've listened to elders of the party. I've listened to grassroots members. I've listened to constituency and regional leaders. And I have listened to women, youth, patrons, former executives, former appointees, members of parliament, and parliamentary candidates. And in listening, I have heard pain, I've heard disappointment, I've heard frustration, but I've also heard hope, I've heard loyalty, I've heard courage, I've heard a strong desire that the MPP must rise again. It is
enti wasu kokroko ezese ofiri muram na obakurum na obaya nwanwade de nsankyerene wei eye owura awentame Paul Afoko a wo prese dwamtene dibre no wobenya edi ewo party a yefene the New Patriotic Party amanyuko ni mu
na no adesia wo mo atimatim ne wo mo usu pa na ni nyina mu no ye bekwa home o ni anom nso bi aba na ye kwa home no abusua tiwe ye
na yetie we dia apam dada no a wonim adwuma no rough endpoint homeopathy clinic Dr. Duboatin was bra na awo mu hawa yebetimi amoa wo afa ho afa wo ba endpoint homeopathy clinic say prostate in men yebetimi etuase ama wo premature ejaculation endpoint homeopathy clinic eye endpoint emma nerve diseases eye endpoint emma stroke eye endpoint emma kidney issues eye endpoint emma liver issues eye endpoint emma yare bia na spentes kwan so baby e friend shell signboard na hwa ene wo kronoma boahia eno nso ewo kumase mo amwo kumase mo kronoma boahia endpoint homeopathy clinic wo ho tema community 22 ba ko nso wo ho je number na Fred Dr. Duboatin beboa o ma me no wanya stroke no fa bra ne bra ne yemfa ne nto ne yenhye ne ntente mabasare so mikatente eye 0244 867068 eye 0244 867068 0244 867068 perfect baby diapers. Perfect baby diapers. Perfect baby diapers. How many times did I call you? Wasn't prensa? Or you call him anymore prensa? Obana ne tohono. Russia sabahono. Na kosio kuma wina ya kokono. Diaper na wode bono no enkoye. For perfect baby diapers bo bano. Nebe buana nkasa. Perfect baby diapers, gentle care, perfect comfort, designed for your babies all night long. Perfect baby diapers, and the ball, but wouldn't want to say it protects your baby's delicate skin. And a leakage be any baby, a diapers be how the ball banoa, Ubos a center banaho, or Junsoka Caribbean, General. Now, dear, and no men, kama. I could be courageous and I am not pepia for whom we are boffin, haji be a dear. 80 perfect baby diapers, or the ball banoa, no, are comfortable. It is a woman mother care, no only perfect baby diapers here. Let's just say, 053 1099 889 053 1099 889 053 1099 889. What is some paka se bofi sompa 106.5 FM akra ye home so ye ba ye de dia kanyina ebeto aso.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Kasa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawudanina share radens. Na erade beye.
SOMPA TV, Emma Akituapa.
Okre Emma Akituapa pampa busuan ye ko wiensam no nyina ewa amanone nso abibire mu ha na yewo Zimbabwe mamu saa xenophobic attack na sha se South Africa ya wo mo apempam magana fo dodo na ba ma Nigeria fo nso akobi no still wo mo mpa ba pama wo mo pama hoho no na nso abrofo ne de wo mo ntime mpam wo na no na wo mo apama akopam Zimbabwe fo ama Zimbabwe fo nso wo mo agi wo mo nkrofo no ama wo mo akwaba nipa be se empemadu okronkron 99000 ena sabre wo mo akodru Zimbabwe a yade wo mo fa apomuden kyerɛkyerɛ mu ama yehu sɛ obi ahoson obi amfa yade bia mfiri wo ama ansa na mpo yama wo mo kwan ama wo mo akwakohyia wo no mabusuafo ɛno soafo a won na hwɛ wo mo apomuden ho nsam so Douglas Mbashora na wode to so akyɛ sɛ saa nipa nyina no wo mo ye wo ho adwuma na nkomo ebi no mo kan sɛ de South Africa fo de aye wo mo no Zimbabwe nso South Africa fo ho nti abeya nka wo mo mpanimfo nka saafo no nso ma wo mo nko na papa anya hwe abone nya hwe eno na nam so ama wo man no wo so afo a wo hwe atentrene ho nsam so ziyambi nso de to sasa sabi wobi ena enimu nyansa wo mo de yetete wo mo yanye won won ni nsa ya de hoho na chichiri kuro na saade nyina nso wo musua firi Ghana fo ho enti wo mba kwaso agya ma wo ma wo ho na mo nsa South Africa fo be pam wo ma de hia ena wo mo a ena no me no eso wo
kwantinti bia kopie koti akasebo ne osidi de som de makotene bi ne se Honorable Haruna Iduso yo so afo hwangomasua so nyina ye nim government accountability series no wono so de nkontabu aba betudwa
ena high court ko asetena chama wontumi case na wo ho no na de court ahye wozo won konko da fiase mfinhie duo no
na Judicial Service of Ghana so the one mo chacha kopie mo e wo makwala mo ho ni nyina eka Supreme Court won finhia wo ha ene aduonu mu agwanum edi
na Opanyin Suleiman Abrahima executive director de Media Foundation for West Africa and was misinformation atrosemo e kanka no e ha dwene pa anti se se etwa so
Adaji Mahmoud Baumia se sa tribunal bill na anomra so badwafo kwotena sa wo moje etumode koma mampani se wonsane no sabi o mo do so an no nkire se man ne ye modea na mra no yemfa abato e na hyehye mra enti mampani ma wonsane
Mame Jifa Ablagwambashi Eyeswenia Washe Tourism Arts and Culture Creative Art Industry no eka ho wode ato jose aban no ahye framatamu ehu bia ye bia eno no eya kwansra e bia wose wanum hye mukena wanum be
Ghana Police Service edi atudwa se National Police Intelligence Directorate na kwachi me panum bia wo mo chi wo mo no akodi omuhu wo mo ho no na nya asam ketonti asam no wo ma hyenhwehwemu ase
Justice Ziyambi wono wo Zimbabwe mamu wo mo Chief Justice no wono mo se South Africa for apam wo ma de hye nipa be se 99,000 enya de wo mbe pam South Africa for wo ho na wo mo a wo mo tirimu
Kasebo ifri SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na fire headquarters ewo Kumase SOMPA 93.1 FM Madam Fopa Radio ewo Paris France Doma FM Doma Hinkro 100.7 Nkranza SOMPA Mensawonom 90.7 Techiman SOMPA 106.1 FM Sunyane SOMPA 98.9 Kingdom ya Mankesim 106.1 FM Kanash Urban Radio wo Kanashi Market Decoder Subebi Radio wono SOMPA FM ye Facebook page no like no share SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra and na YouTube is SOMPA FM live your website www.sompaonline.com takwa SOMPA obapa ene dom so SOMPA 101.1 FM takwa wo mo susu mu perfect baby diapers wo de ball ban na ne to ho akoyie endpoint homeopathic clinic enso ho na ye endpoint ma wo yare hajia special local food de aduane papa no wanya kwatenten wo atomic kwano so bia ben transition no kasa natural mineral water eno so abodu nsu ye ne de kaseboy esom wawie me die nyame ehira no AKOSUA ago abowaje obetimi so afrem AKOSUA nchira mene me adult children
triple amai ejapia apam dada ene yadepa
ABENA ADEPA Kofi
na ye sorry sui na SOMPA Accra ABENA Ruthie ene de SOMPA Delight the best afternoon social entertainment show no wode ebrewo awie na obi anim se Kumase de na ya se wa SOMPA nkomo promas eno no so som na takwa no wo maka nyina sonyane ene nkranza ede tachiman so ede wo de ato so koso a etie SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Edrano pa wutimi to boase etwitwiwusi o ado
na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima menya homka
senti na ye bokoyi na me de me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum so a enwum anasa de ehia me selfim fem me biem
na won hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me de hwimese
enti na wo se efe na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham
oh yes enu krotrodo yas herbal yas whitening and yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush abusuan chamfa
se wo pedodo tu e won kran ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050 161 9588 Lester Ghana Limited ene de Yas toothpaste mu ahodo ene ne brush abadwa so ababoaye.
Midimafo Pokwase Nyira Accra. Midimafo Pokwase Nyira Accra.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic aba Accra.
Ani wontie passengers egumi kai mu. Ehwa na dodo na ekro.
Ene sa Accra ne potem yedemu.
Ani yedemu ampa. De se de edutwam Atlantic International University, America Memu, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. Need send be 2 months and 8 years cano. Mr. Connection and said down Koye, na a sakakra. Say what Peggy Mama, what you have them. Connection, what you are about the crow. Stroke so dear, or found small. Just say, I did the one who any dear Siano. Yari Bia Tatia, our Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari Bia. Kumasi say, opposite